Everyone says that you should be creative to be a photographer, but are technical skills important too? If yes, then how much? Are they more important than the creative skills? Stick around and let's find out. Hi guys, this is Nirvik and I make videos on photography on this channel. So if you would like to see videos in the future, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Creativity is a very subjective skill, and what might be a great piece of art to you might just be a normal photograph for your friend. But there are certain rules in creativity, whether it is related to composition, to colors, contrast, which are accepted by almost everyone in the world. But aren't rules meant to be broken? Technical details are hard facts. They will not change whether you're shooting at your home, like I'm doing right now, or you're shooting at the most beautiful landscapes in the world. Nor is it going to change for me to you. The concepts of ISO, aperture, shutter speed, or exposure is not going to change for anyone. Let us take a scenario. Let's say you're clicking pictures of your kids and your pets running behind them, and it's getting a bit dark outside. What settings do you change on your camera so that you get the perfect picture out there? Let us say you get a beautiful composition of that fence creating a leading line for your kids and the pet running behind them. But the photo sucks at the end of the day because you forgot to change your shutter speed to capture that motion. Or let's say the other way around. You've got the perfect exposure, the picture is absolutely in focus, crisp, clear and sharp, but only half of your dog is seen in the picture. What I am getting to is, if you want to create a masterpiece, obviously you would have to know the basics first. If you want to start driving, would you go on the highway on the first day? No, you would want to learn the ABC on your streets first and then go ahead. Let's say you want to paint, would you not want to know which brushes would give you the right strokes before you start creating your masterpiece? Similarly with photography, you should know the basics of your gear, whether it's the capabilities or the limitations of the gear. Many might argue that today the cell phones are good enough to take brilliant pictures, and I absolutely agree. But still, you should know what your cell phone can do and cannot. For example, in a low light situation, do you think your cell phone can do it without a flash? Do you think you would need a tripod? All of those things have to be learned before you can go ahead and put your gear to the maximum usage. Let's say you have the beautiful vision of the landscapes of Kashmir that you have been thinking or dreaming about for the last 5 years. And when you reach there, the conditions aren't ideal. Or let's say you're shooting a wedding for a couple. It's a once in a lifetime event. And suddenly one of the lights doesn't work. Do you know what settings you should be changing? This is where your technical skills come in. You learn everything about your gear so that when the right moment comes, or maybe the wrong one, you still know what to do instantaneously to get your vision perfectly, just like you thought. Creativity is an ongoing process for all photographers, whether you're an amateur or a professional. You are only going to get better as a creative than the last best shot that you had. We look at pictures and we think, oh my god, it's a stunning image. But we often ignore the days, months, or even years of hard work, planning, preparations, the technical research that went into making that picture what it is today. Saying that one skill is more important than the other is incorrect. Or even saying that you need to learn one skill before you start learning the other is also incorrect. Start learning both of them together. You have tons of content on the internet. Whether you want to take inspiration from amazing photographers out there, or you want to learn the nitty-gritties of your gear so that you take the right decisions at the wrong time. So the only thing that you can do right now is learn and practice and practice and practice and practice to make sure that when the right moment comes, you you have the right shot. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like the video, share it with your friends who are struggling with the same question, creativity or technical skills, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the videos that I come in future. And until then, keep creating your own stories.